Hey guys, my microwave stopped working, and it happened when I tried opening the door. So when I pushed the door open button, the light inside the microwave turned on for a split second, and then immediately it shut off. At first, I thought it was just a fluke, so I opened and closed the door again, but nothing happened. And so I checked the front panel of the microwave where normally there would be a clock, and that was off as well. So what I'm going to do is go through some of the troubleshooting steps I did in order to fix this microwave. One of the first things you need to do is to make sure that the circuit breaker is not broken. And I did that by plugging in a LED desk lamp into the socket. And as you can see, there is nothing wrong with the wall plug itself. So this isolates the problem to the microwave. Most likely it's the fuse that's blown. So what I'm going to do is open up the case and take a peek inside. I had a lot of difficulty removing the metal case from the microwave. And this is mostly because of these metal grooves inside the case that slides onto these metal slots attached to the microwave. The fit was extremely snug, and so it took quite a while of pushing and pulling. What we're mostly interested in is the fuse, because that's actually what's broken. And from the video, as you can see, it is quite burnt. Basically, all we're going to do is buy a replacement fuse that has the exact same specifications. Mine is 125 volts with a 15 amp current rating. So make sure you read the labels properly. After examining the microwave a bit more, I noticed that one of the door latches is actually not popping up the way it's supposed to. For this particular microwave, there are 3 door latches outlined here. And as you can see, the door latch for the top one doesn't actually pop up like the ones that are on the bottom here. All I did was remove the door latch from the top, and as I removed it, it must have wiggled something inside because the door latch actually popped back up. So here is a ceramic fuse that I'm going to use. All that is left is to put the fuse back into the slot and give it a test. And great, the microwave lights up when I open the door. So that fixed the issue. Just don't forget to put back the microwave cover.